What if I told you that you can own hundreds of companies in one click, with almost no effort and still beat most investors? This video is your simple guide to index funds. No hype, no fluff, just facts. Let's get started. An index fund is a collection of stocks that mirrors the performance of a specific market index. Instead of picking individual companies, you're investing in a whole slice of the market, like the S&P 500 or a global index. It's like buying a fruit basket instead of just one apple. Index funds are low cost, diversified, and passive. They don't try to beat the market. They just follow it. And guess what? Over time, most index funds actually outperform expensive, actively managed funds. When you invest, fees matter a lot. Active funds often charge 1 to 2% per year. Index funds? Often below 0.3%. That may not sound like much, but over 20 to 30 years, those fees can eat up tens of thousands of dollars in potential returns. The lower the fee, the more of your money stays invested. With an index fund, you automatically invest in dozens or even hundreds of companies spread across different countries and industries. That means if one company struggles, the others help balance it out. You're not betting on one winner. You're owning the whole race. Set up an automatic monthly investment, even a small amount. This is one of the most powerful wealth-building habits you can have. It removes emotion, builds consistency, and lets you grow steadily over time. Index funds are not for quick gains. They're for your future. Think of the money you invest today as a gift to your future self. Let it grow. Don't touch it. Watch what time and compound interest can do. Now let's look at a simple example. If you invest $10,000 into an index fund, earning 8% annually over 20 years, it grows to around $47,000. Adjust for 2% inflation, that's about $32,000 in real purchasing power. Compare that to a savings account with 1.5% interest. Your $10,000 barely grows to $13,500 in the same time. That's the power of index funds. Long-term growth that beats inflation and builds real wealth. Many index funds today are ESG-friendly, meaning they avoid investing in companies related to tobacco, gambling, or fossil fuels. So you can grow your money and your conscience. Index funds are low-cost, diversified, long-term focused, and easy to automate. They're not about timing the market, they're about owning the market. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple investing and personal growth videos. This is Growth Minded, where we grow together.